Today, we will introduce a professional jewelry mold thermostat box. First, it comes with a transparent window, allowing you to clearly observe the heating process. Inside, it uses three-sided heating, which provides faster and more uniform temperature rise. Set button, left shift button, numerical reduction button, increment button. Its outer shell is solid and of high quality, ensuring long-lasting durability. At the back, ventilation holes ensure safe and efficient heat dissipation. Whether you're working on jewelry making, precious metal clay, wax burnouts, or enameling, this versatile furnace is perfect for a variety of applications, making it a valuable addition to any jeweler's toolkit. Operation steps. 1. Connect the power supply. 2. Put on protective gloves. 3. Place the steel mold into the thermostat box. 4. Close the door of the machine. 5. Press the start button and the machine will begin heating. Once the temperature reaches the set value, the oven will automatically stop heating, and you can safely remove the steel ring. Tooltos Jewelry Casting Burnout Furnace Oven with observation window. Take your jewelry craftsmanship to the next level. Experience precision, efficiency, and unparalleled results.